There's one. Oh, that's a little better one. All right. On the chatterbait. Nice. Looky there. Getting fat. All right. See you later, buddy. Awesome. Love that. Is that a fish? Yes, it is. Awesome. Another one on the chatterbait. Man, he just kind of added dead weight to that chatterbait. He really got it down there, though. Sweet. All right. See you later, buddy. Awesome. Love chatterbait bites. There's one. Oh. Sorry about that, buddy. Come here. He's all dirty now. Sorry about that, bud. Get you back in the water. There you go. Water's warmer than the air is right now. Probably about 40, somewhere between 40 and 45 right now. Feels worse than that with the wind blowing. I'm gonna guess the water's in the 50s. That was one. Got him. Oh, it's a crappie, that's why. Holy cow. That is a huge crappie. Oh my gosh. That has got to be a new personal best crappie. Let's find out. Holy cow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is huge. That's bigger than any of the bass I've caught today. .28. So not quite. I think my personal best is at 1.5. But still, this is amazing. Too bad I don't have any way to take it home, huh? A nice fish sandwich for lunch. picture real quick. Oh, see you later, buddy. Go make babies. Oh, that was awesome.